I don't know. All right. And for you friends and family that don't understand, we have Jeff Miller's LOC Doorknob rebuild numero tray on an I287 Smokey. First flight, heads up, first flight with this rebuild. 6-second delay. Motor eject with a parachute, estimated apogee around just shy of 850 feet.
Godspeed.
Oops. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. All right, we have continuity on B2. And that plane is not going in our direction, so...
Should be fine as long as it doesn't veer off that way.
Yeah, he's good. I'll go with it. Yep. All right. So range and sky are clear. We're going to go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice and
Hallelujah. Now let the chute release work. Or the chute.
Yeah, you've had an issue with every aspect of the flight. Uh-oh, where's the chute? The chute's not out. Pull, pull. Open, come on.
Don't do that to us.
Boy, talk about stressful.
I'm telling you, they have a coronary here. All right.
Hey, look at that.
Stuck the landing again.
Oh. 5,